Good morning, all. Okay, as you know, Webtalk has changed their point system, and now we all have um, less points for likes, comments, and shares. Unlike earlier, where the points were specified for each like, comments, and share. Now Webtalk has come up with a new strategy where Google pays Webtalk based on the ad revenue, and ad revenue is generated by ad impressions and ad clicks. So, in line with how the way they are getting paid, they want all Webtalkers also to view more ads, generate more traffic on their posts by getting more profile views and more post views. So, in order to um, align ourselves with the new strategy and get more slices of the new rewards program. Okay, I've come up with this video to show how you can view a profile of other team members and like and comment their posts, at the same time view ads and generate revenue for Webtalk and get more points. Okay, so I just will click on my friend Benjamin's profile here, and this opens as on a new page. I go to his, this is open directly in his timeline, so you can just go to photos, come back to timeline, okay, and then confirm the tag is for the day and is from the same group. You can just go click on like. If you like, you can just add some comments to the post. Okay, and then this way, this post has got a post view, and then okay, this post has got a post view. Sorry, I was just getting a call. Okay, and then go to the next post, do a like, comment, press enter. This is one of the ad that is showing up in his page, so you can just click on that. Okay, let this ad run for a few seconds, maybe 15-20 seconds, or you can just scroll down the page. Okay, just glance through about what the advertiser is talking about and what is the ad about. Okay, and then just scroll down, so you can just glance through, and if you like something, you want more information about something, you can just click on that. So you can just do that for about 30 seconds. So this ad click gets captured in the system that you have clicked the ad and viewed the page. So Mr. Benjamin Guaido would get points as well as you will also get similar points because you have also watched the ad. So you can just go down, scroll once, okay, and then close the tab and come over to the main tab where you are doing like and comment of his posts. Just do it one by one, so you can just complete 5 of them that he's posted with the same tag. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So ideally, just do like and comments for 5 posts in a day, and then view any ads that show up on the person's page. At least one ad per person. Just scroll through, complete the scrolling and viewing of the ad. Okay, if you like anything on the page, you can just click. If you like, spend about 30 seconds on this page, and then you're good to go back to the main so let's close this tab, going back. So this is completed one profile view, like and comments of his 5 posts. Okay, thank you.